Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download and install AlmaLinux OS 10.1 on VirtualBox. Okay, first go to AlmaLinux OS official website and download. It is almalinux.org. Click on download or download, both are same. Then see here we have different options: DVD, boot, minimal options. Okay, in this video I am going to download DVD. See here, but it is not showing 10.1. But click on block. Generally we will find all versions here. Okay, if you are unable to find, click on block. Then see here general availability of AlmaLinux OS 10.1. Click on this link, continue reading, scroll down. See here we have the AlmaLinux OS 10.1 stable now available. Click on this Intel or AMD x86 64 to download. Now we have to click on any one of these methods. Then see here we have the minimal ISO, boot ISO. Okay, or you can download by using this torrent. Okay, I am going to download this DVD ISO. See here, click on it to download. See, download started. Go to downloads. See, its size is about 8.3 gigabytes. I am cancelling this one because I have already downloaded it. In your case, wait until download completes. Once download is completed, then open VirtualBox. If you want to install VirtualBox, then search for my YouTube channel how to install VirtualBox on Windows or Linux operating systems. Now click on new or machine and select new to create a new virtual machine. Then provide the name. This is just virtual machine name. Name can be anything. Then select the folder to store this virtual machine files and folders. This is the default location. If you want some other location, click on other. Then select the folder where you have the enough space. Then select the downloaded ISO image. Select other. Then go to download. See here I have the AlmaLinux OS 10.1. Select that DVD ISO. See, once you select it, OS change it to Linux, OS distribution to Red Hat, and OS version is Red Hat 64-bit, because see here we don't have the AlmaLinux. Okay, AlmaLinux is of type Red Hat, so select Red Hat. Then select the latest version from this Red Hat. Okay, so 10.x is the latest one. Don't select the checkbox, that is proceed with unattended installation. Hardware information I am giving 4 gigabytes. Number of CPU cores to virtual hard disk size I am giving 50 gigabytes. Then click on finish. Still, if you want to modify the settings of this virtual machine, right click and select settings or go to settings. Okay, if you are okay with the only option that I want to change is right click on it, settings, then system, then pointing device I am changing it to USB tablet. Then click on OK. Now if you are okay with all the settings, click on start. Use up and down arrows and select the install AlmaLinux 10.1 and hit enter. Now select the language and click on continue. See, the beginning station is grayed out. Why? Because the options that are marked with red color must be filled or configured. So installation destination I am okay with the default. Still installation is grayed out. Now we have to click on root account. See, root account is disabled. I want to enable it. Then set the password for root account. Confirm the same. Allow root SSH login with password. Click on done. User creation. I am giving user full name as After Schools. This is the username. Add administrative privileges to this user account. Then set the password for this user. Confirm the same. Then click on done. Now we are able to click on beginning station and software selection. See, these are the base environment. These are the additional softwares for this base environment. See here, server with GUI. If you want only server, you have to select this one. You will install workstation, custom operating system, virtualization host, whatever you want you can select. Okay, once we selected this base environment, these are additional softwares. Whatever you want you can select them. Okay, then click on done. Keyboard, language support, time and date. If you want to change time and date formats, you have to select this automatic date time or manual date and time. or you can set the region and city. Okay, I'm okay with the default, so click on done. Review the settings one more time. If you are okay with all the settings, then click on begin installation. See, installation has been started. This will take time. I'm going to pause this video. At the end, it will ask us to reboot the system. Then we will reboot the system and we will perform the post installation steps. In the meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, installation is completed. Now click on reboot system. Now click on username and provide the password that you have set for this user. Skip. Now open terminal. Let me increase the font size. Go to 3R gentle boss, preferences. Select any one of these palettes. See, font size has been increased. Now verify the version more slash etc os-release. See, we have installed 10.1. This is the code name. Okay, quit. The first step after connecting to AlmaLinux 10.1 is we have to update the packages. Sudo dnf update upset sudo dnf upgrade. Hit enter. Provide the password of the sudo user. Hit enter. See, it is going to upgrade 8 packages and this is the download size. Type A for confirmation and hit enter. Okay, this will take time. So in this video we have seen how to download and install AlmaLinux 10.1 on VirtualBox. Okay, for more Linux tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.